welcome to the channel. So in this tutorial we will learn about Python, what is operator precedence and associativity with some examples. So this is a very important concept in Python. So basically when we work with Python, so there are certain operations which are executed before others, and we also don't know how the complex expressions are evaluated. So using this tutorial we will come to know about that part, like what is precedence and how operations are getting evaluated in Python. Okay, so first is what is operator precedence. Okay, so operator precedence refer to the rules Python follows to determine the order in which operators are evaluated in an expression, right? For example, multiplication happen before addition, but parenthesis can change that, so we'll come to that also. Okay, so basically this is similar to the BODMAS in math, BODMAS rules in math. Okay, so let me just put one example. Let's say we have one expression, something like 10 plus 2 multiplied by 3, right? So what will be the output of this? So this will result an output of 16, because multiplication will happen first, because the precedence of multiplication is greater than the uh, addition, right? If we run this, we will get the output as 16, right? Okay, so because multiplication has higher precedence, so we are getting 16, right? So there is some precedence table also, which helps to determine what is the precedence of which operator, right? So the higher preference we give to parenthesis. Okay, after that comes exponentiation, then we have unary operator, then we have multiplication, division and modulus, then addition and subtraction, comparison, logical not and or. So these are the precedence. So parentheses will get evaluated first from other operators, right? After that exponentiation will get evaluated first. Okay, so let me just give you an example of this. Let's say we have something 10 plus 2 multiply by 3, then exponentiation by 2, exponentiation. Okay, so what will be the output of this? If you can calculate this, what will be the output? Okay, so first this exponentiation will get calculated. Okay, after that this multiplication, and after that this addition as per our precedence table, because exponentiation has higher precedence than multiplication, which is here, right? So when we run this, the output will come as 28. How? So 3 to the power 3 square will become 9, 9 to the 18, and 18 plus 10, which will become 28, right? So these are the precedence basically. Now we can change the precedence. Okay, we can change the precedence with parenthesis. Okay, because parenthesis has higher precedence, right? So let me give you an example. Okay, let's say we have another expression, okay, which is 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2, we have 3 exponentiation by 2, the same example what we have here. But if we put a parenthesis between 10 plus 2, right, now what will be the output? So first 10 plus 2 will get evaluated, right? 10 plus 2 will be like 12. Okay, then this will get evaluated, right? So let me just run this. So the output will be 108. Why? Because 10 plus 2 is 12, then 3 exponentiation will become 9, and then 12 multiplied by 9, which will become 108. Okay, so this is all about precedence. So how and which operator will get evaluated first, using this table we will come to know. Okay, So I think this is all. There is one more example for logical and not and or. Let's say we have an expression called not true or false. Okay, so what will be the output of this? So as per our table, not have higher precedence than or. Okay, so not true means it will become false, and false or false will return as false. Okay, so first this will get evaluated, this will become false, and after that the false or false will become ultimately false. Okay, so this is all about Python operator precedence. So in the next lecture we will cover about associativity. This file name is wrong, I will correct it in the next lecture. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and comment if you want to learn something more about it. Thank you.